Hi, I'm Peter.
And I'm Sophie.
And I'm Nico.
And I'm Lucy.
And today we're going to show you around the Newman Building, home to UCD Arts and Humanities and UCD Social Sciences. With the broadest social sciences and arts offering in Ireland, there's loads to see. So let's get started.
The Newman Building was originally built in 1970. It's right at the heart of the campus, just beside the main lake. It's a bit of a landmark here at UCD. You can't miss it. Inside you'll find lecture theatres, language labs, seminar rooms, and plenty of breakout spaces where students meet up for group work, study sessions, or just a quick coffee and chat between lectures.
And this is Theatre L. It's the biggest lecture theatre on campus and home of the famous L&H Society, where all sorts of lively debates and guest talks take place. Everyone from major politicians to famous authors have stood right here. So yeah, kind of a big deal.
Now, this is one of our hidden gems, the UCD Classical Museum. It's actually the largest collection of classical artefacts on display in Ireland. You'll find everything from Roman sarcophagi and marble headstones with Latin inscriptions to an incredible Greek vase collection and even Egyptian antiquities. The museum isn't just for show either. It's used for teaching by the School of Classics, which makes lectures feel like stepping straight into history.
Another special spot here in Newman is the Françoise Henry Reading Room, a dedicated art history library in the School of Art History and Cultural Policy. It's named after Dr. Françoise Henry, the department's founder and the first head, and one of Ireland's most renowned scholars of early Irish art.
This next stop is one of the most creative spaces on campus, the Trapdoor Theatre. It's our creative lab of fully equipped black box theatre with professional lighting, sound, and visuals. It's basically a playground for our creative arts students. It's mainly a classroom and seats about 144 people and can be reconfigured in loads of ways depending on the performance. It's mainly used by our drama, English, film, and creative future students.
Right beside it is the Creative Arts and Media Lab, where students can dive into film, sound, and multimedia production. It's a really collaborative space, perfect for anybody who wants to explore performance and production from all angles.
One of the things people love about the Newman Building is how lively it always is. There's a real sense of community here. You'll always find something happening, whether it's a pop-up event, society fair, or an impromptu group project in one of the breakout zones.
You'll see a mix of students from every background and discipline crossing paths here, from sociologists, psychologists, and philosophers to historians, writers, and linguists, all sharing ideas under one roof. That mix of people and perspectives is what makes the Newman Building such a special place to study. And when you need a break between lectures or a catch-up with friends, the Blue Bird Café is the perfect place to stop and have a matcha or a latte.
Plus, Newman is the perfect spot for grabbing food from the UCD Walkway. There are pop-ups from some of Dublin's most popular eateries right nearby. So, whether you're looking for a study snack or a post-lecture treat, you're sorted.
So that's the Newman Building, and everything that comes with it. From history and heritage to creativity and community, it's a space that really brings UCD to life. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you on campus soon.